Hi, Elle Ingalls here at ElleIngalls.com. SpeakWithElle.com is the site you can click on or go to instantly have a conversation with me, to book a call with me anyway, not instantly. You'll book the call so that we can have a strategy session together and learn more about pressure free. Topic tonight is to look out for replacements if you've had a big stressor removed in your life. So if you've had something really major that you've been struggling with for a while and suddenly you're free of that, it's really easy for us to fall into patterns where we'll find other things to replace that big stressor. And I've watched it happen in my own life over the past 10 years. You know, something will shift or change. I should be like super grateful and really happy that this thing is gone. And yet what I'll do is I'll find other things to complain about, other things to feel frustrated about. It's like you're replacing because you've got these patterns of reaction that you have to keep active. You know, your old pattern of habit wants to keep you in the stress response all the time. Our society wants to keep you in the stress response all the time. The media wants you to because you'll buy. You won't impulse buy, and you won't be looking for comfort from all kinds of things if you're thinking logically. But when we go into fight or flight, that's when we spend. We buy things. We try to comfort ourselves. And so if you've lifted from a big stressor, my advice to you is just really be aware of where you might start to fall into traps for smaller replacement stressors and to start overreacting to things that maybe you didn't even overreact to before, but you're starting to now because you're just kind of seeing that, again, you're looking to fill that void. You had something that was frustrating you or harming you or causing you a lot of stress for a really long time, and so you'll dig up stuff just to keep the pattern going. So I hope that makes sense. It could be really important, especially as we move through the holidays. It's very easy to have things in the holidays trigger us. You know, we'll see people we haven't seen for a while. You'll just encounter situations, patterns. And so be on the lookout for that. Maybe your life is going along really well, but you're going to fall into some of those old habits of reaction just because it's the holidays. So I hope this is helpful to you. Hi, we got Kathleen, Rachel, Dale. I'm so glad you're here. Just one more time, since we got some new people on here, just to reiterate, I've noticed this myself and with clients, that if a big stressor is relieved from us, we'll replace it. And it'll keep us in those patterns of fight or flight, which are definitely not helpful. So I'm off to a meeting. I hope you have a beautiful pressure-free night. I hope tomorrow is beautiful for you as well. And again, look out for those replacing stressors. They are not helpful. They can bring you down just as easily as the big one that you've released. So that is my my little sharing with you tonight. And I see other friends coming on. It's so nice to see you. I'm headed to New Hampshire, Fred, and I lost a relative, so I'm going to be taking a little trip here. So wishing you a beautiful pressure-free night. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.